Hello everyone, and welcome to my first tutorial. I will be doing a marble nail using the Sharpie method. So first, after I paint the nail, I like to top coat it, then buff it, and of course clean off all the dust. And then here I'm showing you what I'm using. I am using a black Sharpie, a fine detail brush, and some 91% alcohol that I poured into a tapping dish. So first, just draw on the nail. It doesn't have to be a straight line or anything. And then dip your brush in the alcohol and start rubbing over the line you just drew to start fading out the Sharpie. And also, sorry if my hand keeps getting in the way. I'm still trying to figure out a best way to position my camera. So yes, just keep going with the alcohol until it is to your liking, and then just repeat the steps a few more times. And sometimes I also like to do where I just take the alcohol and fade it out on one side of the line instead of just going over the whole thing. But I just decided to do it different this time. Also, at any time, if you need to, just go back over the lines with the Sharpie and then repeat all the steps again, as I just did here, but I just used the Sharpie pen instead. And so after it's all done, just top coat. But also, one thing I noticed when top coating is that the top coat can't fade the Sharpie a little bit, so just be careful when doing that. I normally do 2 coats and cure between each layer. So here is the finished product. I really love how it came out, and I hope you do too. So thank you for watching, and until next time, peace out, y'all.